Have a hurricane plan? Do you know what to do when a storm forms in the Gulf? Recently, Chief of the Texas Division of Emergency Management, Nim Kidd, visited Victoria. I sat down with him to get his thoughts on the important things you should consider before preparing a hurricane kit.
You know, the first thing that people need to have in their kit is a plan.
Not only a plan for leaving the area, but a plan to notify your family that you're safe.
They need to have a family communication plan, the family that they live with and their extended family that may live out of their area or even out of state.
As you prepare your hurricane kit, you need to be sure and pack bottled water. Lots of water, at least a gallon a day per person. Now that you have taken care of hydration, you should have non-perishables, prescription medicines, eyeglasses, extra clothes, and sturdy shoes.
You should have clothes that will protect you from the wind and the rain and the sun, and then you need to have the small tools that you need in order to evacuate yourself or to help rescue or evacuate someone else.
A source of electricity is vital, from generators to flashlights. Fresh batteries are a necessity. In the case of power loss, a NOAA weather radio will keep you aware of changing weather conditions. Now that we have got your hurricane kit stocked, how long should you prepare for the worst?
If you know that you live in an area that is subject to a hazard or a threat, and you could be without power or without communications for more than 3 days, you probably need to plan for more than 3 days.
The best plan is for 5 to 10 days of supplies. It can get a bit pricey, but it's worth it in the event of an approaching hurricane. What should you do if you're asked to evacuate?
If you see a storm entering the Gulf out there, you need to make sure that you keep your gas tank full. You don't wait until the last minute to leave. Don't put yourself in that position of being on the road with a bunch of other people that may not have prepared as much as they could have.
So if you develop a plan and prepare for more than 3 days, you'll be prepared for any storm during this hurricane season. Here's a map of the different evacuation routes out of the crossroads in case you are asked to evacuate. For a closer look at the map, go to our website at crossroadstoday.com.